Now in this video we are going to be talking about writing in millions. Now the same way we did for writing in thousands, we are going to follow that same steps. So we have write the following in figures: 3 million. The first thing to do is to write the place value on top. So we'll be having units, tens, hundred, thousands, tens of thousand, hundreds of thousand, and then we'll be having million, 10 million, 100 million. Does this make sense? So we write it in full. Now remember, this is the million part, so you have to take note of that. So let's do 3 million. So we write 3. Does that make sense? Then the remaining will put zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now remember, we said that thousands usually have 3 zeros. Millions usually have 6 zeros. Does that make sense? So 3 million is 3,000,000,000. Let's write it somewhere here. So we have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now remember, to put comma, we count from the back in threes. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So this is 3 million. Let's go to the second question. Now for question 2, we have 16 million. Now remember, 4 of us do the million part, so we write 16, and the remaining will be zeros. Does that make sense? So 16 million would be 16 and 6 zeros, comma, comma. Does that make sense? Let's take the third question. So for the third question, we have 76 million. So we write the million part first. That will be 76. And the others we write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So it means that 76 million will be 76 and then 6 zeros. Do you understand? Let's do IV. So we have 120 million. Remember, we write the million part first, 120, and then the remaining will put zeros. So 120 million will give us 120, 000, 000, 000. Do you understand? Let's take the last question. So for the last question, we have 888 million. Don't forget, write the million part first. 888. Does that make sense? Then the remaining will put zeros. So 888 million will give us 888 000 000. I hope you understand.